This isn't magic, it's science beyond your imagination. Sprinkle some waterproof spray over sand, add a pinch of salt, stir it gently, and drop it into water. The sand doesn't dissolve. Scoop it back up, and it's completely dry. Unbelievable, right? Now pour some cooking oil into a glass, add a bit of baby oil, then place an ice cube inside. As it melts, it turns into tiny crystal clear pearls dancing in the oil. Sprinkle chili powder over the surface of that same oil and water mix, then dip your finger in. Not a single drop sticks. That's because the chili powder forms a barrier between the oil and water. Hit a balloon against a single nail, it pops instantly. But press it down on a bed of sharp nails, it won't burst at all, because the pressure is spread evenly across every point. Place several cups filled with colored water in a circle, twist a piece of tissue into a thin rope, and connect the cups together. Wait a moment, and you'll see. The colors travel through the paper, blending into a rainbow stream. It's like magic. Ever wondered what happens when marshmallows meet water? No matter how many you drop in, they melt away in seconds. It's strangely satisfying to watch. Draw a tiny heart on a spoon, place it gently in water, and look! The little heart floats to life like a secret message from science itself. Got a dull kitchen knife? Just rub it on the bottom of a ceramic plate a few times, and suddenly, it cuts through tomatoes like magic. But it's pure physics. Soak a piece of yarn in baking soda solution, dry it up, tie both ends between two objects, spray a little alcohol, then light it up. The fire glides along the string but doesn't burn through. That's chemistry in motion. Stick a straw into a cup of water. Nothing happens. But pinch one end and add another straw beside it, and suddenly the water flows all by itself. That's the incredible siphon effect. Now, coat 5 colorful balloons with soapy foam. Wait a few minutes, wipe them off fast, and press them together. They cling tight, floating like a glowing rainbow chain. And those old plastic toys lying around? Don't toss them yet. Put them in a big bowl, place a smaller bowl inside, fill the gaps with toys, microwave gently, let it cool, then spray your favorite color. And there you have it, a homemade art fruit bowl, born from science and a bit of imagination. Science isn't just about learning, it's about feeling the wonder in every tiny moment. Pour some cooking oil into a glass, add a few drops of different colors, and stir gently with chopsticks. Wait a few minutes, then pour it into clear water. Suddenly, a colorful rainbow rain begins to fall, faster and faster. Isn't it beautiful? Now, connect 2 potatoes with wires, and yes, it actually generates electricity. You'll never worry about a power outage again. Want to pour water from one glass to another without touching it? Just use a single thread and watch the magic happen. Here's a strange card. When placed sideways on a pencil, you see a horizontal line, but flip it upside down and it shows a vertical pencil instead. How does that even work? Pour water into a cup, drop a pen refill inside, and look, it stands upright. Add more refills and they all align perfectly like soldiers at attention. Take a battery, 2 old keys, and connect them with wire. Clamp the battery between them and you've built a tiny electric cutter that slices through plastic and foam with ease. Now, place 3 bottle caps on a magnet, add a piece of glass, and spin a top on it. Remove the glass and it keeps floating. That's magnetic levitation. It's not magic, it's science beyond imagination.